Guys, we are back at it again, saving one bike at a time from the clutches of the EPA and making them sound better at the same time. Guys, in today's video, we've got the Triumph Scrambler 400X. Triumph was nice enough to let us loan this motorcycle, and today we are gonna be making it sound a whole hell of a lot better with a Yoshimura exhaust. Now, this is not our first exhaust video, and you guys have probably seen our other exhaust videos. You probably know how they run, but here's how this video is gonna roll down. I'm gonna get this bike rolled outside. We're gonna get a cold start on this bike and see what it sounds like totally stock. After that, we're gonna get the bike rolled back in, get the exhaust unboxed, throw this thing on there, and then stay tuned for the end of the video because we're gonna do some cold starts, we're gonna do some revs, we're gonna do some flybys. It's gonna be a good time. Don't you dare skip to the end of this video. I know most of y'all will, but don't worry. It's gonna be a good video. Let's get the bike rolled outside and let's see what this little single sounds like. All right, so a little puttery, a little low, not terrible. It's a 400, you know, we got low expectations here. We'll let it warm up and we'll do some revs. Alrighty, what do we got? This is the problem with having emissions regulations. Like, that is what a bike sounds like. It's just, it lacks inspiration or something. I don't know. Let's fix it. All right, so guys, while the bike is cooling down, we're gonna get the exhaust unboxed and see what this thing looks like. Oh, the big box was deceiving. Or was it? No, it was not. There's other stuff. We're not missing anything, right? Bro, you could start such a good fire with everything that's in this box. Ooh. That is not what I expected. Hold on. Hold the hell on. I'm putting gloves on. I'm doing it. Bro, look at that. Check the gold out. Bro, that's going to look so good on this motorcycle. I thought it was gonna be like the stereotypical like Yoshi thing we've been seeing, but that is totally different. Also, it has a lot of plastic around it. We are gonna have to be very delicate hands here. Dude, I'm really loving this. And this looks like a little connector pipe situation. Also, Yoshi does a fantastic job of just giving us all the hardware we need, all individually packaged and everything. So let me get this unboxed and we'll take a look. All right, guys, exhaust is installed. We're gonna get the bike lifted up and we're gonna get this old exhaust removed. I think that new exhaust looks really fantastic and I'm excited to see what this bike's gonna look like. One with the little gold pops, but with the one single exhaust instead of the duals. It's gonna be pretty interesting, so we'll see how it looks. Oh, by the way, I just read over the install doc and super simple it looks, so we shouldn't have a problem here. Guys, taking off the dual exhaust, I didn't think about there's so much less material here. This is at least like 60% the weight of that. I don't know if it's half the weight, but this is so much lighter than this. That is insane. All right, let's get the new one installed now. All right, my friends, exhaust is installed, looks fantastic, and now it's the part we watched the entire video for, unless you skipped. You didn't skip it though, right? Anyway, let's get this thing rolled outside. Let's do a cold start, see what it sounds like. I'm really interested in this one because on all these exhaust videos, like every one of the ones we do, they're all parallel twins, so it's almost cheating. I want to see what this single sounds like, so I'm pretty stoked on this. Let's get it rolled outside, see what it sounds like, and afterwards, we'll go do some flybys and stuff like that. Honestly, at idle, it's not ridiculous, which is kind of nice. I want it to be deeper though.
That's what she said.
All right, I want to rev this mic so damn bad. I'm gonna walk away from it and let it warm up. Guys, I'm so sorry, I cannot wait any longer. Bro, it actually, we're starting to have character now. This is what this bike needed. Yes, dude, absolutely. I'm putting gear on and we're going for a ride. Alrighty guys, there you go. That is the Yoshimura exhaust on the Triumph Scrambler 400X. Now, I've been riding around with it, filming the rest of this video, and if I was to judge this exhaust, I would say that beforehand, the bike was some small little kid. And now the bike sounds like it is a small little kid that started going to the gym and started eating the protein that it should. It's the same kid, but it's like beefed up. So I do like the exhaust. I love the way it looks. I will say I'm kind of surprised after installing a lot of exhaust on a lot of parallel twins, those bikes totally transform with an exhaust, whereas this bike just sounds a little meaner and a little deeper. It's definitely better and I love the way it looks. So overall, solid exhaust, incredibly easy install. So if you got a Scrambler 400, I would 100% go with this, especially over the OEM option. Anyway, if you guys want to grab that exhaust, we'll have links for you in the description down below. Thank you, Yoshimura, for sending us the exhaust. Thank you, Triumph, for letting us loan the motorcycle. I'm Chaseontwowheels, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.